If your Wi-Fi is slow, it might not be your internet. And most people never fix or know the real problem. Your videos are buffering, your Zoom calls are freezing, or your games are lagging. So you'd think it's your speed and upgrade your internet, only to see that it's still slow. Well, here's why. Your Wi-Fi signal is the problem, not your speed. Wi-Fi is basically a radio signal, and walls, metal, and furniture block it. Most people put their router in the worst possible place. Watch this. Same internet plan, completely different speed. If your router is hidden or on the floor, chances are your signal is weak. Instead, put it in a central, open location. Remember, every device shares your Wi-Fi. Phones, TVs, cameras, smart devices, and they're all competing for a signal. Newer routers handle more devices and faster speeds. Here are some ways you can fix the issue. Move your router to the center of your home. Move it off the floor and elevate it. Keep it out of your cabinets and closets. Restart your router weekly. Your router is just like your phone, and your internet provider pushes updates to it on a regular basis. Also, if your router is 3 to 5 years old, it's most likely outdated. Call your provider and have them send you a new one that's up to date. I fix this problem all the time for my clients. Most people think they need better internet when all they really need is a better Wi-Fi setup. Move your router, test your speed again, then come back and tell me if it improved. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video so you can see more tech tips that actually fix your problems.